Alright, what's up guys, you guessed it, we're back on site. It's your boy George, mate man Jack Deeney over there.
Morning all.
So when we came on site this morning we noticed there was some sitting water around the bases of the posts. Pretty much puddles, obviously we dug a big hole so you'd expect that. But we don't want water sitting around the bottom of the post, so main man Jack Deeney's knocked up a nice little dry mix. So I've just put that around the bases and haunched it up to the posts so that angle is going to stop any water sitting around the post. It's all going to flow away into our sub base just where we want it. So that's been done. Just fired up the Uribe.
The Erbauer.
The 305 diameter cutting blade. Literally just flew through that.
I think it was 1.5 at once, George.
Probably could. First cut, but it absolutely flew through it. Beautiful. Beautiful so far. May do a product review at the end of the day.
So or we may not.
Might not as well. So we have our bitumen coated sleepers from yesterday, so the base and the side to be coated. Got our timber preservative on hand over here. So I'm just about to coat the cut end. And then Jack Deeney's knocked up a nice little grainer wet mix.
A little stodgy mix.
Yes, so we're going to bed first sleeper on, so it's free draining underneath. It'll be about maybe 30mm clearance, and the sub base will go up to that, of course. We'll have the land drain at the back of the wall to catch any excess water. Yeah, so it's all good. Building the Great Wall of Penkridge. Beauty. This is what you call a barrow mix. So you just put all your ingredients in the barrow, mix it up by hand. A bit of hard work, but for a smaller amount, saves the hassle of getting the mixer out, all that sort of stuff.
Much cleaner.
Beauty. Alright, what's up guys? Feast your eyes upon this. It's all bitumen coated on the back, posts all coated. Just had a great discussion with our client about the finished heights. This is actually going to double up as a seat as well. So as you can see, perfect. Just cut the first post, I'm going to finish it off with the handsaw. So we're going to come one more sleeper high, and then we want the posts to be hidden, so they're going to be cut off at this finished height. And then the next sleeper will be screwed down, obviously all lined up, countersunk screws, all that good stuff. And then that's going to be our finished height, so one more. Tight little return, nice little drainage system going. We're going to have another planter at a 45 degree through here and down there, so that's going to hide that void, get the drain through nice and easy. Marked all the backs of my posts, going to cut them off now. And the boys are doing a fantastic job getting our last one on. What's up guys, we're just packing up now. So quick little clip, we've had a lot of questions about this bad boy saw. It's done brilliantly, as you can see, does angles, does miters, cutting depth of about 140mm. This is the make and model, if you're interested. There you go.
Take it with a focus.
If you're interested, pause it now, get yourself one. It's gone beautiful on the sleepers today.
If I can use it, you know, it's good.
Exactly, if Jack Deeney can handle the beast. But yeah, so we've got one more to go on top. But we're going to countersink the screws. We wanted the post to be hidden. Obviously a little return there, and we're going to have another planter angled down, so that's going to be hidden. Dirt coming through. All blackjack on the rear. We've just recoated them over our screws beautifully. Beautiful. Been great having Greg Deeney, had the full team back on today. Done an absolutely splendid job. We also got the truck back on the road, so it's been a great day all around. Yes, you can sort of see what we're going for. So that'd be the height, artificial turf. Yeah, job well done.
All starting to come together.
Yeah, it's a different technique than we've done before.
On face.
Yeah, it's the first for us, so on face wall for the win, but we really like this detail on the wall. I was worried it'd be a little bit busy, but it looks pretty cool. It's like a log cabin sort of effect. Did you enjoy it, Greg Deeney?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
The timber master right there. Did you enjoy it, Jack?
Oh no.
And yeah, it's been a bit warmer today, so it's been awesome.
Yeah, for a change.
But yeah, big dig tomorrow, big Powley on site. Shout out to the big show, digging this off level, getting all this out, grab lorry in the afternoon. As always, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Check out our Facebook group. Check out our branded gears, matipo.co.uk. Facebook group, Matipo's Guide to Landscape, and I chucked up a little video for you today.
Oh, there you go.
And I think I'll do one about the saw, so we can go into a bit more detail on that as well. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok.
YouTube,
Check us out TikTok
as they're watching.
as you're on. Check us out on YouTube, we've got other videos as well.
We're not just a one.
Or LinkedIn, if you want to connect up professionally with yours truly. Jack is yet to be on LinkedIn.
I do have an old account, I just can't find it. So there you go.
But yeah, another great day for us. Big dig tomorrow. Yes, starting to take shape now. Super exciting.
Boom, baby, boom.